how to enable speak keyboard input allowed for capital letter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on swipe, touch and feedback. So after click on swipe, touch and feedback, so click on speak keyboard input allowed. So after click on speak keyboard input allowed, scroll down and you will see capital is here. So if you want to enable capital, so click on capital. So after click on capital, you will see capital is enabled. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable speak keyboard input allowed for capital letter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.